everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I will show you how you can go ahead and fully recover chess.com account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, open up your browser, go to search bar, type in chess.com and search it up. And then once you have done that, this is how it's going to look like. What you need to do is simply going to go ahead, enter your username or password. Once you have done that, so once you are in the chess.com section, you're going to go ahead, tap on this login option, add in your username, phone or email, and once you don't remember your password or any of the information, tap on forgot password right over here. Once you tap on the forgot password, it will ask you to provide again either your username, phone or email. Once you've added that, it will simply send you a code via phone or email. Go ahead, check it out in your email or phone SMS. Once you have found that particular code, you're simply going to go ahead, add in right over there and tap on submit. Once you have done that, you will be able to make new password and you will be able to recover your account. If that also does not work, you need to simply go ahead, contact the support. Go ahead, go to the support section, and you have to wait for a while. Once you have got the contact details, let them know that your account has been deactivated or deleted, and then you would like to reactivate. Provide the information as much as you remember, and they will let you know what further you can do. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.